What is up, guys? Welcome to country number 20 of the Netherlands. I am here in Amsterdam. I got here yesterday. I explored a little bit around yesterday, but not too much. Just went to kind of the old district, the red light district, as it's called, like the Dan Wallen or Dam Wallen district. Explored around the canals, so I haven't did too much, and that's probably what I'm going to do again today. But first I have some laundry to do, because I have everything packed up in this bag, and I haven't did laundry yet at all on this trip. And as you guys, if you guys have seen my previous videos, you'll know I was in Ireland, so I need to do laundry. Here's my hotel room. This is the bathroom, front door, a little bit of storage there. And this place for 4 nights was 388 euros, which is about 455 US dollars. So kind of expensive, but not a terrible deal for the Netherlands, because I know Amsterdam is fairly expensive from what I've heard. But anyway, I'm excited to hit the streets again today, after I do laundry, of course. But anyway, let's get into it. Alright, well, first laundromat was a no-go, because it's only cash, which is fine, but it only takes the exact amount and doesn't give change. And so I was going to end up losing quite a few euros because I didn't have the exact change. So thankfully there's another place like a 13-minute walk away, so I'm going to go over there. Of course, lots and lots of bicycles. That's how you know you're in the Netherlands. Alright guys, dropped off my clothes. They're in the washer now. I got about 30 minutes to wait, and then I'll go back and put them in the dryer, and that'll probably take about 30 minutes. So got a little bit of time to walk around before I got to get back there. And look at all the bicycles. You have to love Dutch engineering. They managed to build an entire city literally right on the water. I'm assuming they have some type of system to stop this from flooding. Very impressive. Alright, so clothes are in the dryer now. Should be about 30 minutes and they should be ready to go. So I got another 30 minutes to explore around over here. And that place that I'm at now is also cash only, but the machines give change. And there's people working there who you can get change with if you need it, so that's nice. Otherwise it was going to cost me like probably 30 euros at least at the other place, since they wouldn't give change. Whereas this is going to cost me 15. It was 9 for the washer and the soap, and then 6 for the dryer. Alright guys, got the clothes here in my bag, so I'm going to go back to my place I'm staying at and fold them up and put them away, and then we'll get back out into the city. So I'm back at my place, and I figured to go ahead and have lunch while I'm here, because last night I bought some fruit and this drink. It tastes like it's mango banana. As you can see, banana there in Dutch, and then I guess the other word is mango maybe, but I don't know, it tastes like banana mango. Tastes really good. And I have some mango here and some pineapple. So I'm gonna have this for lunch. And I bought this stuff last night for like 9 euros plus a big bottle of water, like 1.5 liters of water. It was all like 9 euros. That food was really good. I went to an Italian place, and all that food, I know you saw the receipt, was only €9.70, which is a really good price. It's like $11. Just got this hot dog from that hot dog stand over there. This was €5, so a little bit expensive, but probably typical for you know, a hot dog place, especially in a tourist area. So looks really good. So believe it or not, this beautiful building here is the Amsterdam Central train station. Very beautiful building. And while I'm here, I need to see if I can get a train ticket to The Hague. So I want to go to The Hague maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. Alright, so good news. I got a ticket to The Hague for Wednesday for €28.80 plus a €1.50 for the physical ticket. So that would be €30.30. So I will go to The Hague on Wednesday. So this is the red light district, which is in the old town. And I suppose it's kind of all over Amsterdam, but the main one is here in the old town. I know that rule is certainly ignored. At least in this area it is. I've seen quite a few people smoking weed in public. This is a great view here with the church in the background, and you have the church right there. Right down that street right there that I just showed you. That one right there, you can see the red lights. This area of Amsterdam is really beautiful. Really all of Amsterdam is beautiful, but the kind of old town, the Dam something, I'm not sure to say in Dutch, is really beautiful with all the canals and the buildings. Of course, the bicycles. I'll tell you, the Dutch and the Danish, they love their bicycles. You can see the church way in the distance. And then all the bicycles. I'm really not sure which country bikes more, if it's the Dutch or the Danish, because I've seen tons of bicycles in Denmark both times I've been there, and I know Denmark is a big bicycling country just like the Netherlands. So I don't know, I think it's probably pretty even matched. It's a really beautiful area. The main red light district is just over there, and this area is more colorful houses and the canals. There's a stand selling fruits and vegetables. I think I'm gonna get some orange juice from here. So I bought a nice bottle of orange juice from the market here, and this was only €3, which is a pretty good deal. Here come all the bicycles. So that building there is the train station, Amsterdam Central. And then right out here is the water. You can see some more modern buildings, more modern developments in this area. I believe maybe the bus terminal is upstairs, because I've been seeing a bunch of buses go up there. So that building there is the Royal Palace, and then that is a church. I'm not sure the name of it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and there will be more to come from the Netherlands, as I'm going to The Hague on Wednesday.